So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to link a bank account on the Webull Canada application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull app. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom and press on deposits right in the middle. Once you're here at the top, you have assets, orders, transfers, history, and documents, sort of on that blue bar. Press on the one in the middle, which is transfers in between orders and history. Press on transfers. Once that is done, at the bottom it says bank account. No bank account linked below for my example, but if you were to go ahead and press on link bank account, so press the little circle with the plus icon right here, it then redirects you to a new page where you can then go ahead and connect your bank account to your Webull application. So once you're done here, you have to go ahead and just use Flicks to connect to your bank. So just press on continue right there. Select your institution. So for example, if you're with RBC, BMO, TD, or whatever bank you see presented, we'll go ahead and press on for this example. How about we select Tangerine right here? You can type in your information and then go through the process this way to connect your bank account with your Webull account through the Webull application. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to link a bank account to your account on Webull on the Webull Canada application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.